welcome back to another video, y'all. My name is Olivia. If you are new here, thank you for clicking on this video, and if you are returning, thank you for clicking on this video as well. Either way, I appreciate the both of y'all. But so today we getting into a vacation. I'm trying to figure out what's in my phone. We getting into a vacation prep, y'all, because y'all finna go on vacation finally. Like, I leave for vacation, y'all. I need a break. I need a break from everything. I need a break. I've been going hard, which ain't nothing wrong with that, but like, take y'all breaks, okay? So I need a break for everything. But so I'm starting off this vlog. I went to the hair store yesterday. I'm gonna get my hair done. In my last video, if you watched that, you know that the girl that was originally supposed to do my hair, she canceled on me because she thinks she had COVID. So that's why I'm looking like with my hair crazy. But my cousin, I called her yesterday, she gonna be able to do my hair. So I went to the hair store yesterday. This is what we got. And I was gonna get some boho knotless locks, but now I'm getting like some not locks, knotless braids, but now I'm finna get some locks. So yeah, I'm just finna head to my cousin's house and she gonna do my hair. And first we gotta get breakfast though, because I'm hungry. Morning, can I do a bacon and egg scrambler, please? Thank you.
I did it for my granny. Back when we couldn't buy pizza because we were down to pennies. Feel like we go back a century, run to the store for centuries. Then bring it back to your brother, man, we had to respect it.
Hey y'all, so we back. I ain't gonna hold y'all. I ain't checked in a couple of days. Today is Wednesday, May 31st, which is crazy, but yeah, I got my hair done Monday, but it really ain't been nothing going on. But you know, she did what she had to do, cause check me out. We just finna head to the nail shop. And then I need to go to Walmart to get a couple of things too in related to trip. So let's go to the nail shop.
You doing mixtapes out of your basement. You let it take it on occasion for entertainment. Then you leave us at the house and go out on a mission. You probably would have got in less trouble just going with them. Feel like I never say much, but man, that's a lot to know. Feel like the difference between us really starting to show. I'm looking at their first week numbers like, what are those? I mean, you boys not even coming close. I gave like you a reason for celebration. You number one and I'm Eddie Murphy. In places, look in the mirror, I'm closer than I really appear. Creeping like chili without the tender love and care. No tender love and care, no love and affection. I got a price on my head, but there's a risk to collecting. I might be here as a vessel to teach people a lesson. Feel like they wanted me dead, but couldn't pull it together. Yeah. But here we are, and it's a new semester. 40, the only one that know how I deal with the pressure. A couple nights where it started to feel like the feelings faded. A lot of problems that can't be fixed with a conversation. Yeah. Your best day is my worst day. I get green like Earth Day. You treat me like I'm born yesterday. You forgot my birthday. You don't be scoring perfect. You don't be working like how we be working. You platinum like rappers on Hershey's. Boy, that's what it's worthless. You get the message over and over like it was urgent. And then act like you ain't heard it when you see me in person. The only thing I did to end up here was put the work in. And did it with a purpose. Used to have secret handshakes to confirm my friendships. Nowadays they just shaking my hand to hide the tension. A lot of people just... Okay,
so I'm finally out the freaking nail shop, y'all, because first of all, I forgot my tripod in the car. It was in the car, but I forgot it. So I wasn't able to get like as much footage as I wanted to. But the nail shop is so freaking busy, like on a Wednesday afternoon. That's why I picked the Wednesday afternoon to come, because I didn't think everybody, their mom was gonna be in there, but no, for real. So what y'all think? You know, I was really gonna try to do something different. I was gonna try to do like a French tip, but you know how they be at the nail salon, they be like, I don't think that look good, something like that. They be, or no, she was saying like, because I really need like a new set, but she was saying like something like right here, I don't know. So I couldn't get the French tip, so I just decided to go with this nice little pink color, because she something like that. So yeah, but nonetheless, I enjoy my pedicure. Oh, let me show y'all the always. No, I seriously need to go to Walmart. I think I'm gonna save them all for tomorrow, because when I was sitting in the nail shop, I was thinking like all this stuff that I really don't need to spend my money on, but want to spend my money on. So I mean, we'll see. I probably, no, it is one thing I actually need. But so we're gonna head to Walmart, and then I really only got like a few things to get, like some wipes, Sunscreen, because I wear sunscreen every day anyway, but when I'm going on vacation, I'm a, you know, anyway, so yeah, let's just go to Walmart.
Hit me up when my name is mentioned. Shout out to KD, we relate, we get the same attention. It's raining money, Oklahoma City Thunder. The most successful rapper, 35 and under. I'm assuming everybody's 35 and under. That's when I'm planning to retire, man, it's already funded. Yeah, I brought your wifey out the same morning. She violated, I sent her back where it all started. How quick they all to forget about their bachelor apartment. Leave it like you could show them light in the darkness. Told my mama that I found a lady in the east. Cancun, when I got signed, they upgraded the suite. Don Julio in the freezer that they gave us for free. I get you all you can eat, just have some patience with me. You wouldn't tell me you love me, started seeing Monique. Last time I heard from Monique, T-Minus was making beats. I used to hit the corner store to get Tahiti treat. Now they talk at the corner store as I'm TBE. The best ever, don't ever question, you know better. Ain't always had scenes when it's so together. Yeah.
At a Walmart. Y'all know that because y'all seen it in the clip. But yeah, so what I got, this not really the wipes I usually get. But I was looking for, in particular, fragrant free. If you're gonna use wipes, y'all, whether you're using on yourself or your babies, get I can't say that word. Fragrance free wipes. But these ain't flushable. That's my only problem. But then again, I'm finna be on vacation, so I mean, I ain't gonna start nobody's toilet up, but you know. Anyway, so I just got these Pampers wipes, and usually, so I got this spray on sunscreen too by Equate. I'm so proud of myself. I didn't get all this extra stuff, but this is what I was looking for. Like, I was looking for the spray on too, but dang, I really do need some more. This is what I'm looking for, like the keychain version, because this is what I put on my face in the mornings alongside of my CeraVe, and it already has sunscreen in it. So yeah, that's what I was looking for, but we'll try again tomorrow. I'll try to go like Kroger or something, but yes, so I will see y'all tomorrow, because tomorrow we're gonna go to the mall and look for a couple of things. I need like some anklets and some more necklaces and stuff, and I need something like, I need a travel size like thing to carry my jewelry in, jewelry, whatever. So yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow, and then we gonna go to the mall, and then we're gonna pick out outfits, and then we're gonna pack. Happy June 1st, Thursday, June 1st. You know, I hope everybody, whatever your goals are for the month, that you accomplish them. You know, if your birthday in June, happy birthday to y'all crazy Geminis and Cancers. But anyway, so I'm finna leave work now, and we're finna head to the mall. Gotta get some anklets and some more necklaces, and then I need some more earrings too. And then, like, I'm gonna try to find like a little toiletry bag so I put my toiletries and stuff in. But yeah, I think I need to shave my legs and under my arms, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that, because yeah. And then yeah, and then pack and pick out these outfits, and that's pretty much gonna be it. But I'm gonna head to the mall.
I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I never been more sure.
Okay, y'all, excuse this terrible lighting in my room. Oh, I done ate. I had to pop me an ibuprofen 800 because Mother Nature was naturing, okay? But now I feel a lot better because I done ate. I took some medicine, so I'm in like a packing mood. So the goal is to have 4 nice outfits for like dinners and stuff, but the rest of the outfits gonna be like chill, because I don't think we're gonna be like, I know we're gonna go out to dinner and stuff, but I don't think it's just gonna be like, have to be super nice. So like the rest of my outfits is gonna be chill, which is great for me because I don't like dressing up anyway. But yeah, so that's the goal. And yeah, so we finna like piece these outfits together. Hopefully it don't take me forever because I really, like I said, I only like dressing up, y'all. Like, I'm a chill person. So we're gonna do that. And yeah.
This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Yeah, so like I stated, I am super simple. So like right here we got some jean shorts because I love jean shorts just in the summertime period. But we got some different combinations right here. This is a white bodysuit, a brown bodysuit, a black bodysuit, and then this is a tube top bodysuit. And then I just got my, I think I got these from Shein. Y'all, these are like so comfortable. I don't even know if they still got them anymore. But these like shorts right here, baby blue, black, and I got this like white pair, but I can pair that with like any kind of graphic tee. Y'all can't really see that. Hold on. Yeah, but okay. I got that graphic tee, this graphic tee, this graphic tee. So like as you can see, just like pair them up, or I got a tank top I can do with it, and a tank top right here.
I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love.
So I just got some of my toiletries out right now. This is my towel and washcloth. Got some wipes. I just decided to put my medicines in here. I don't know what that thought process was, but yeah, I just got this right here. And then after I take a shower tonight, I'm gonna fill this up with the rest of my stuff. And then I just gotta put underwear, and excuse me, undergarments, whatever y'all wanna call them. Just gotta put that in my suitcase, and then I think we should be done for real.
My love. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. My love. And another woman that can take your spot, my love.
So I've never been that type of girl that can shave my legs in the shower because, you know, I be getting dizzy with all that leaning up, leaning down, and the shower be hot. So I just always been the type of girl to shave my legs in the tub because this is what easiest for me. This is what works best. So don't come for me in the comments. But yes, it's just me shaving my legs. So yeah.
Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in a case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew up out it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been.
Bruh, I am so exhausted. Like, it's currently like 11:30. So I made it in bed on time, but I got everything done. And everything is sitting in there, my suitcase, my carry-on, my change clothes when I get off work tomorrow. Like, everything's sitting there. And all I gotta do is just in the morning, like put my morning skincare in that bag and like my toothbrush and everything like that. But everything is done. But your girl is tired. Like when I tell you I started like 8 o'clock, it's 11:30. And I'm proud of myself. I done shower, brush my teeth, got in the bed, clean up the kitchen, I did all that. So I'm gonna sleep real good. And I will see y'all tomorrow.
Find a peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who loved me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, can't be turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking on this anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it. Yeah, my